Smart, multi-intelligence, electric wine aerator. A new breakthrough in wine aerators. Stylish curved-shaped, representing high-tech. Food-grade silicone tube, safe and green. Easy to assemble. One-button operation, start and pause conveniently. Blue window for pouring wine accurately. Red, green, yellow power indicator. It uses high-pressure, red light, magnet to aerate the wine quickly. 100 times the effect of natural aeration since multiple purposes are achieved instantly, taking in, pouring, and oxidizing the wine. Be with good wine and savor it right after aeration. Get the mellowed, flavored wine with aroma wafting through the air. Enjoy tons of flavor and cheer for a moment together. USB rechargeable. Only 3 to 4 hours needed. Aerate 60 to 80 bottles of 750 milliliters wine each time. Easy to clean. Just to wipe the surface. Velvet storage bag for easy storage and carrying. Smart, multi-intelligence electric wire aerator. A revolution in wine aeration.